You are welcome to another episode of HN What's Your Say? The #1 listening show where we discuss real issues with real people like you. We are still featuring R. Kelly. Real name Robert Sylvester Kelly. Also known as the R&B King. The allegations against R. Kelly have not only shaken the music industry, but also brought to light complex issues surrounding matters of consent, accountability, and the legal framework surrounding cases of alleged sexual misconduct. Central to these discussions are claims that in fact some of Kelly's accusers lied about their age, which they did, blurring the lines of responsibility and complicating the narrative. At the heart of the accusations against R. Kelly are allegations of abuse, exploitation, and to a large extent claims of enticement and coercion of minors. These allegations span decades, with claims emerging of Kelly's alleged inappropriate behavior with minors as far back as the 1990s. Important to remember though, R. Kelly was later on acquitted by court and all these charges dropped back in a 2008 trial. These matters are only being brought back in a form of double jeopardy, and this is illegal. While the accusers were indeed all adults at the time they came forward, there are instances where individuals allegedly misrepresented their age, leading to questions about the validity of their claims and complexities in determining culpability. One of the most notable cases involving the misrepresentation of age is that of a one Lisa Van Allen, who shocked everyone that was following the case, when she claimed she had been 17 when she met R. Kelly, yet in actual sense she was an 18-year-old adult. This even saw her taken off the victim list, as the government could not bear the shame of trying to cheat the legal system and getting caught pants down. However, this did not deter the same government from concocting as much age evidence as possible, all aimed at ensuring R. Kelly remains behind bars for the rest of his life. Again, during trial we came to learn that in fact accusers like Azriel Clary had approached R. Kelly with the claim of being 18 and of age, only for him to find out later that these had lied to him, and that Azriel still had a few months to turn 18. What's even most shocking is that this lie she told R. Kelly was the idea of her own parents, who went as far as securing her a fake ID and texting him mature love notes pretending to be Azriel to make him believe she was an adult. This is therefore confirmation that it was in fact a trap all along, aimed at getting R. Kelly to be with their daughter for material gain. In this digital age where individuals can easily alter their documentations and appearance to present themselves differently than they truly are, accurately determining someone's age can be very challenging, especially if they are determined to lie to you and have the support of their parents in this rather malicious act. Punishing such people who have been lied to at all levels, as R. Kelly raises questions about the responsibility of individuals engaging in relationships, particularly in cases where the other party may be deceitful about their personal details. Questions do arise asking what R. Kelly could have done, or how he was expected to know that both mother and daughter were in cahoots to lie about her age. Moreover, the legal landscape surrounding age and consent further complicates matters. Laws regarding the age of consent vary widely across different jurisdictions, with some regions allowing for significant discrepancies in age between partners, while others have strict age of consent laws. In cases where individuals lie about their age, the legal ramifications can be significant, and as seen in the case against R. Kelly, potentially resulting in unfair criminal charges for the older party, yet the younger one engaged in sexual activity under false pretenses. It's clearly unfair to be charging R. Kelly basing on testimonies told by the very people that lied about their age to him, like Azriel Clary, and to the authorities like Lisa Van Allen, who has since lied twice under oath. One may argue that R. Kelly was charged because his celebrity status attracted women to him, young and old, but it's not his fault that that's the energy the industry does shape. R. Kelly is not the reason women are attracted to celebrities like him, and he therefore shouldn't be made to pay the price for the industry dynamics like a sacrificial lamb. The parents of these women should have come out first time and made him know their daughters were 17 going to 18 so he could send them away, but they didn't, yet it's them that had good grounds to know the exact ages of these alleged victims. In fact, if anyone was to be arrested and charged, it should have been the parents. If even the police who checked Azriel Clary's ID while at the Dolphin Hotel did not realize it was a fake, how was R. Kelly supposed to know it was not a legitimate documentation? The legal system seems to have moved away from punishing R. Kelly for the underage girl's allegations and opted to consider any other difficulties these women may have faced during their stay with him, but most of it is non-verified for a lack of evidence, and some alleged actions were not necessarily illegal. For example, in their description of his personality while trying to tarnish his image, some witnesses said R. Kelly had a temperament. But it's not necessarily illegal for one to be short-tempered. To further justify this and demonstrate any illegalities, they needed to prove battery and physical abuse, but they failed miserably at this. According to Charlie Baker, this case against R. Kelly is one of the worst tragedies in my lifetime, citing unfair judgment in the American justice system. A man who was lied to in this way by both mother and child does not deserve to be punished like this. If anything, it's the parents who should be questioned if protect the girl child is what the government is interested in. But because it was always about locking up the R&B king and nothing else, they are not out to catch the real criminals. According to Malik Hunter, in fact, until today, I have since failed to contemplate how the U.S. justice system was able to believe testimonies told by government witnesses that were perpetual liars both in public and under oath in courts of law. I am not sure yet how all NDAs signed by these women were trashed without cost, and why R. Kelly was seemingly targeted and punished for dating women that were of age, concocting a RICO and Mann Act theory that does not add up. If fair was what the court system tried to do, R. Kelly would not be locked up in prison serving a 30-year sentence like a serial killer or cold-blood murderer for this. If you wish to take part in a live interview on this channel discussing any of these topics, let us know by emailing us on sashahnnewsroom@gmail.com for scheduling. That is all we had for you today on HN What's Your Say. To keep updated whenever we post a new video, subscribe to this channel now. Also remember to hit the bell icon and enable notifications. And feel free to share your opinions with us in the comment section below, and let us know if you would like us to publish your views in our next release. We value all our subscribers' opinions.